Okay, so what I'm going to work on today is going back to, I guess, the maintenance required for when you replace the timing belt and the water pump. And there's some rings on these cam, whatever you would call these, housings that I'm going to be replacing. So basically this ring, this, and that I'm going to try to do today. Okay, so once again, GoPro sucks. Okay, so that came off relatively easily. So there's like a ring here. I see. Bam. Okay, this came out. Oh, there it is, maybe? Right there? No? Okay, so I think I've identified everything that I need to replace. This part right here, that's this. Okay, that's what I took off earlier. That fits in right there. This little O-ring is actually, if you pull this out, I believe that's it right inside there. Okay, and like I said before, the previous owner put a lot of this, whatever, gasket, silicone gasket shit everywhere. And then this ring right there is this ring right there. So I'm pretty happy with the fact I've identified everything. I don't know what this is, if I need to replace this. I think I have it. 11 is, so this goes into that right there, I believe. So I'm going to clean this up. Alright, so I wanted to get this on camera, if it'll come out. The O-ring that was inside here is this piece. It was literally brittle. So it was extremely hard to get out. At first I thought the edges were metal for some reason because it was so hard. But it literally is like that. And it should be obviously rubbery. So to say this was due is an understatement. Okay, so I finished cleaning this. And it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the O-rings in now. I'm gonna use this oil treatment to lubricate the O-rings and whatnot. Just because it's like really thick. Seems to be good stuff. Actually, let me do this one first. Okay, so what I realized as I was putting this back in was that I cleaned off my mark for my cam, but luckily I took a picture of it, and I think I can reference it back based off of this area here. So all is not lost, I'm hoping, and I'm hoping I didn't turn this cam, which I think would be a lot more difficult to do. So I'm gonna use these bolts to draw it in. Okay, if I'm reading this correctly, it says camshaft bearing 10 newton meters. It's an M6 bolt, and I double checked that, so I believe that's correct. So, all right.